Matei, you can come forward. Any other witnesses?
No other witnesses.
All right, State, do you want to continue with the offer that you have in place?
Yes.
All right. All right, so here's the thing. Your history does not look good. The state is offering you 10, and they are silent on your application. People always say that probation in this court is not easy. I mean, I guess it's not. I wouldn't know because I'm not the person doing the probation. But when I give people probation, it's designed, hopefully, for us not to see them again unless they're coming back to say, thank you for giving me a shot, right? So what I can tell you is I'm going to give you a choice. And I'm going to give you a choice because this is an evading arrest detention in a vehicle. I see your history. But these are the only two choices you have. Don't come back to me with a third choice. Don't try to do something different because you only have two choices. One, I will send you to prison, and I will send you to prison for 5 years. You'll get credit for any time served. Or the second option is this will be a conviction on your record. I'm not going to grant him deferred adjudication, and I will sentence him to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. Those are his only two choices. And if he chooses the second option, he's going to remain in custody because he's going inpatient treatment somewhere. So those are the only two choices. There's not a third choice. So do you need to speak to him?
A second.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years.
This isn't your typical probation. The judge stacked it with strict rules, mandatory check-ins, surprise drug tests, and steady work requirements. It's what's known as structured probation, built to feel nearly as tight as prison walls. Picture it as freedom, but on a very short leash.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school.
All right. There's 100 hours that will be deducted once he completes parenting classes. The remaining 100 hours will be deducted if he obtains a higher level of education or if he obtains some sort of trade school certification. There's to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's to be an evaluation for DDRF. And there's to be referrals to SafeP. I'm sorry, an evaluation for SafeP. I think, just 1 second. Yes. There's going to, just 1 moment. Strike the last evaluation for DDR. This is the order I want things. There's going to be referral, and all of this is to take place in custody. There's to be a referral to felony drug court. If felony drug court doesn't accept him, then he is to go to SafeP. And Ms. Abrams, the referral to DDRF, how long is that taking?
You can't have multiple referrals going. The DDRF referral process could be month and a half. What I suggest possibly is let's do the funding for the phone and report if not accepted.
All right.
DDRF, you already said safety, right?
Yes. Take in consideration 2025 CR 003472, 2025 PF 11391. There's going to be 120 sober meetings in 120 days. And let me see something else with your history. And it goes without saying, you're a convicted felon. You're not allowed to possess any weapons. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need? I'm sorry, there's to be restitution, if any, to the complainant for the motorcycle.
Brett Castillo.
All right. I'm sorry, what's the name?
Brett Castillo.
All right, that will be Brett Castillo.
And Judge, in reference to also, there's another case that's currently open, a theft, $1,500 to $30,000. If I can have a moment to speak with defense counsel, I'd like to try to maybe get that resolved because that'll obviously hold them up.
Okay. All right, let's do that. Did you review the probation? Is there anything else?
With the understanding if there is any open cases, felony drug or safety will not.
All right, they're going to take care of that, hopefully today.
Here's a crucial reality check. A felony conviction instantly wipes out your right to own any firearm, and judges take this dead serious. Just one bullet found in your house is enough to send you straight back in.
Or so, yeah.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're off the record. Here's the thing. You're going to remain in custody until that other case is resolved. He cannot move anywhere. I'm not going to release him unless he's in some sort of treatment. And stop breaking your mom's heart. All right? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Gregory Prunita, good morning. How are you doing? All right, I don't know what's going on with what I'm receiving. Just a second. I have no idea. What is this case about?
Judge, you gave him 2 years supervision.
Yes.
However, his parole got revoked. So
All right.
we wanted to provoke that probation period is
All right. Do y'all have a motion to revoke on this?
No, Judge. So it's no motion to revoke or whatnot. I didn't have an opportunity to really understand what the parole outcome was, how long he was sentenced for, but my understanding they were going to ask for possibly a reconsideration of sentencing.
no motion's been filed. He was he did a 3-year stint for the 4200 charge. He paroled out after 17 months, picked up this charge and got probation.
All right. So here's the problem.
Now,
This sentence that I gave him was June 30th. Oh, we're still within the window. So what are you going to be asking for?
Judge, I was just going to ask you. I've not seen this situation before.
What are you asking?
Well, a reconsideration on his application for supervision. He's been in custody since the offense day.
Well, his minimum on this is 2 years. So you want to talk to the state and see if they have any objection, because once he's sentenced, there's no reconsideration.
Well, they had recommended the 2 year supervision. I'm sure they won't have a problem with 2 years to do.
I mean, you'll need to talk to them. Yeah. So once you talk to them, I'll take care of it. Okay. On Wilfredo Matei, what other case is this? I don't have the other file for it.
I had the number. He just got indicted after he took this plea. It comes out of the same back pattern, part of the same deal. So I wanted to bring him back either tomorrow or Monday to take care of that case.
We can do it Monday.
Okay?
Yes. All right. Thank you. All right. Brian Adam Sanchez.
Judge, I conferred with with the state this morning and got an offer on Mr. Sanchez. I was hoping with some time so that I can review that with my client and maybe have him do a couple other things and see if I can't get it a little better, Judge.
All right. So you have all discovery?
I can sign off on that, Judge, yes.
All right. So state if you'll do the discovery acknowledgement.
Yes, Judge.
And Mr. Sanchez, why were you late for court?
Really looking for a partner.
All right, so here's the thing. You have to be on time for court.
Yes, ma'am.
I note that this is your first time appearing, so next time, be on time. Otherwise, what can end up happening is a warrant can be issued and you can be placed in custody. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 31.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for 2 weeks for a plea deadline date, please. All right, we're going to come back on July 31st. At that time, you need to let me know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not reached an agreement, your next setting will be a jury trial date. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Just have a seat, and Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form, okay?
Okay, thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Hello, counsel. Guidance?
I stepped out after I thought you called another case. I apologize.
Oh, no, I did. I had called another case, but we finished.
Mr. Pernada and the prosecutors, everybody agreed to instead of 2 year supervision to a 2-year sentence on this new charge.
All right. So this is what I would have you all to do. If you will just print out the plea bargain page sheet and just enter it into evidence as amended.
Sure.
And then we'll go on the record with it, and then we'll sentence him and get another trial court certification.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Jose Sanchez, court is calling 2020 CR 6566, and counsel, you on this side.
Make no mistake, this charge is serious. Assault by strangulation counts as a major family violence offense. With deferred adjudication, the court is basically saying, we'll pause the conviction for now, but slip up once and it comes crashing back with full force. You.
State of Texas versus Jose Rizzo Sanchez. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Adelaide Silver for defense.
And are you Mr. Jose Rizzo Sanchez? Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Jose Rizzo Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 6566 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on August 23rd, 2021 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. We're here this morning on state's motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Violation condition number 2. On or about the 7th day of June, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jose Rizzo Sanchez, did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely methamphetamines, in violation condition number 2.
You said on the 7th of June?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't have a motion to revoke with the 7th of June on it.
This is the first one at the top I read.
All right. I don't know why I keep getting the incorrect motions to enter adjudication of guilt. Okay. To that, how do you plea?
True. Read the remaining violations, Your Honor.
No objection from defense, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there opposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. We're working to go open as far as our recommendations.
All right. State, what are you requesting?
We're requesting adjudicate the defendant and sentence him to 3 years TDC.
All right.
We're recommending to follow probation's recommendations.
And what is that
That
recommendation?
is a SAT.
All right. Would you like to tell me anything, sir?
Mm.
All right. I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. This is not your first MTR. You've had a previous MTR for the same offense. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The court is finding condition number 2 true. The court will find you guilty. The court will grant the motion.
May we talk about time, Your Honor?
Yes.
Your Honor, then in the alternative, we would like to ask the 2 years PDC. No new offenses have been picked up. He has completed SAT of twice, aftercare once, outpatient once. And he currently has 231 days in Bexar County Jail, as well as the 2 completed SATF inpatient programs. Only 1 aftercare was completed.
Okay. All right. So it appears though that nothing is working with you because you're continuing to repeat the same violations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court will find you guilty, grant the motion. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Vanessa Sanchez. State, has there been any new offenses or violation of the no contact order?
Not to the state's knowledge, Your Honor.
Probation, has there been any violations of the no contact order?
There it is, 4 years behind bars, stamped with an official family violence finding. And that label doesn't fade. It means a lifetime ban on gun ownership and serious roadblocks ahead, whether it's fighting for custody or landing certain careers.
Judge, on the motion to revoke, there is a violation of condition number 27. In that, on the 12th day of July of 2024, there was contact or attempt to contact Vanessa Sanchez.
Your Honor, I would like
Family
to.
member by telephone, no, or person. I know they waived that violation, but that is just an unreleased.
Your Honor, so that was he admitted to probation that the CW was going around to his home. There are incident reports where him and his family, since it is a family home, did call because she is returning to the home because her children do live there.
All right, this is what the court will do. The court is going to, as previously stated, find you guilty, revoke. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Vanessa Sanchez, no residing with children, 4 years in the prison. Did you review the document credit for any time served? And credit for any time served in inpatient treatment successfully completed?
The inpatient part, Your Honor, or the aftercare part?
Inpatient.
Okay.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. And that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction in an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about any of that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, and then the court will recommend the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. However, it's there to help rehabilitate you. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
And he still has to ask for that when he's there as well?
Yes.
Correct? Okay.
Yes. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank
Good
you.
seeing you.
Nice seeing you.